Let's start work on our Pong game. First of all, let's create a new project. When you launch Unity, in the project browser, select New. Now let's give a name to our game. I will call mine Super Pong. 3D to 2D switch we can leave as is, because we are going to make a 3D game at first. However, if later we decide to change to 2D, we can always do that inside of Unity. I will disable Unity Analytics because we are not going to use them, and my project will be located under the workspace folder. Feel free to create your own folder and press Create Project. Unity will greet you with an untitled scene. So before proceeding any further, let's save our scene. To do that, go to the File menu, Save Scenes. Under our assets, let's create a Scenes folder. Now let's give our scene a name. I will call mine Level. Now under Hierarchy you can find name of our open scene, same at the top bar of Unity window, and under the assets you will see Scenes folder where our level is located. Let's explore our scene. Currently there are only camera and directional light. To create a game object you can go to the menu GameObject, 3D object, and choose Sphere. A white ball will be created in the middle of the screen. So now we have camera, light, and a sphere. By clicking at them you will see difference in their components. For example, camera has a camera component and directional light has a light. Sphere has mesh with material assigned. Currently this material cannot be changed because this is Unity default material, but we can create our own material. Under the assets folder in the project window, right click and choose Create Folder. Now let's give our folder name Materials. Let's go into this folder. Currently it's empty, so right click, choose Create, and select material. Let's give our material a name, ball. Here under this albedo property we can select a color. For now let's make our ball black. To apply our material to our white ball, click in the project window and drag material to the sphere. Now I can choose any color I want for my ball. And there are some more properties you can tweak. For example, I can make ball more metallic. Also smoothness makes my ball more matte or more glossy and reflective. Feel free to play with these three parameters, albedo, metallic and smoothness, to make a ball any color you want and any material property you like. Notice that our scene name, Level, has a little asterisk next to it. This indicates that scene has unsaved changes. So let's save our scene, go to File, Save Scenes. So now we are sure that scene changes have been saved. However, when you're working with materials, for example, if I change color to red, you will not notice asterisk. This is because materials are saved on the project level. So to make sure that your materials are saved properly, you have to save project. Go to the File and choose Save Project. Okay, now as a little exercise, create new materials and new game objects like our sphere. In the next lesson we are going to build our game level.